Happy Thursday and happy day 19 of Vlogmas. Oh my goodness, we're getting there, aren't we? It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I just got ready. I'm gonna head out the door, run some errands. I actually had a little something special made to go into the countdown to Cupid boxes, and they're ready, so I'm gonna go pick that up. And thank you everybody for the orders. There's still a couple left, I believe. And yeah, so I'm gonna pick that up, just do a couple of little things. And then I was talking to my daughter yesterday, and we just thought we might hook up and go for lunch and like do a downtown walk. There's a couple of stores she wants to get to, and yeah, me too. I just want to kind of browse and get into some of the little local shops. And what else are we doing? That's kind of it. It's a quiet Thursday. I threw on this cute little hat that I made a few years ago. It is Chelsea Goes to Paris, I think. I'll put it on the screen. Anyway, I knit it years ago. I don't even remember what yarn it was called, but it was Chelsea Luxe yarn. It's slubby. It's a slubby and mohair held together. Just packing orders. There's a new colorway I did yesterday, or a couple of days ago, I guess. It's called Toasty. I'm casting this on today. My stepfather's birthday is in January, so I thought this would be a nice colorway to make him some socks. So I am gonna cake this up here later on. Yeah, so this is just slubby and mohair held together, and it's a free pattern on Ravelry, so I'll have everything on the screen. What else? Did a little painting this morning. I do have an idea in mind. When I was at my friend's house the other day, she had this beautiful painting in her kitchen, and I want to do something kind of like it. So right now I'm taking on my watercolors and making kind of a background palette, like just the base. And then I want to take those oil pastel crayons and do flowers on top. And anyway, we'll see how it goes. I'll take you along for like the little process, but right now it's drying. I started it last night before we went out. I just started playing with the watercolors and trying to get like a good palette of blues and greens and purples for the base. So it's drying, so maybe later on tonight I'll do a little more work on that. Yeah, I don't know what we're doing for supper. Haven't really thought that far ahead already. So usually when Sarah and I go out for lunch, it's usually a big lunch, so I might not even want supper later. I'll play that by ear. And that's it. Run to UPS, drop off a few more orders. I would say today is it for shipping. After today, I will ship after Christmas because UPS is not picking up anything from our depot after Monday. So yeah, if anything comes in this weekend, I guess, yeah, I'll pop it in the mail Monday, but then that's it. So I am going to go run my errands, and hopefully Sarah still is up for going downtown with me. If not, I'm still going to go either way, but I'm due for a little lunch date with my baby girl. So I will see you guys later. Okay, bye. Oh, and we had a ball last night. It was a beautiful dinner, beautiful. And the presents were fun. We played games, all of it. Yeah, it was a great time. Okay, I will see you guys in a bit.
Oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again.
I am home and it is what time? 3 o'clock. I had a really nice day. Just walked downtown with Sarah. We did some Christmas shopping. We had a nice lunch. Now I am home to put a bunch of stuff away. And Dan's going to be so excited because I got this today. Oh, hang on. There, this arrived. Ikea furniture. My office is still like a catch-all. Like since we moved in, I haven't organized my office at all. It's like, it is, but it isn't. And my desk is driving me crazy. Holy cow. It is so windy out. Look at this. Like, it was beautiful out when Sarah and I were walking around. Anyway, yeah, the weather just changed. Anyway, so I really want to, the next couple of days, organize my office. And right now when I work at my desk, everything is so crowded, piled everywhere. So I got one of these, and it's called the Alex. And it's got these narrow drawers. I'll show it to you when we get it all put together. But I think it's going to be nice for stamps and for stickers. And I got some of these organizer like little compartments to put in the drawers as well. I got 2 of them. I might need more, but anyway. Oh, a new package arrived. So anyway, I've had a lovely day.
Decorated in town, among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether or not you're with somebody new, Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or off far, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. Girl, I wish you the merriest Christmas